I'm Sheila Brummer with Siouxland Public Media News. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled today that the Biden administration does not have the legal authority to enact a one-time student debt relief program, dealing a blow to the 40 million Americans who would have qualified for the program. The case was filed by Republican attorneys general of Nebraska, Missouri, Arkansas, Kansas, and South Carolina. Iowa Governor Kim Reynolds' general counsel also joined the case on her behalf. Reynolds released a statement that says, in part, the hardworking men and women of this country should not bear the burden of paying off others' loans. Soon, those serving in the National Guard in South Dakota will be eligible to have 100% of their tuition covered. A law signed by Governor Noem earlier this year allows those serving in the National Guard and attending state colleges to be eligible for all of those costs to be reimbursed starting tomorrow. Governor Noem says the new bill will help people want to stay in the state of South Dakota. An Iowa judge has blocked the state from attempting to prevent election officials from offering non-English voting materials to the public. Under the ruling, Iowa counties will again be allowed to provide citizens with non-English ballots, voter registration forms, and absentee ballot applications. The decision dissolves a 15-year-old injunction that blocked the practice. A federal agency has denied one of Iowa Governor Kim Reynolds' 2 requests for federal assistance in the wake of the partial building collapse in downtown Davenport on May 28th. 3 people died. Dozens were displaced because of the collapse. Earlier this month, Reynolds requested an emergency declaration from the federal government for the state, asking for debris removal and emergency protection measures, including direct federal assistance. An official from FEMA says that the situation does not warrant an emergency declaration. The denial may be appealed within 30 days. Another request for a major disaster declaration is still pending. And heavy traffic is predicted on the roadways this holiday weekend and through the 4th of July. The Iowa State Patrol plans to beef up enforcement from July 1st through the 5th. Their focus is to prevent fatal and serious traffic car crashes related to driving while impaired, alcohol-related crashes, and OWIs. For Siouxland Public Media News, I'm Sheila Brummer. Have a fantastic Friday, and thanks for listening.